Why does your scanner show the P0520 engine code? And what does it mean? P0520 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine oil pressure sensor or switch circuit malfunction. The P0520 indicates that the engine control module, ECM or PCM, has detected a problem with the engine oil pressure sensor or switch circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oil pressure sensor, low or dirty engine oil, wiring issues, mechanical problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Chrysler, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.